Ona I do a report in my Sharon me and Sunu since. Don't worry, my admin is very active. Ona report Sharon, ona report in my Sharon. Even if you go Sunu, see ona report in my Sharon. We no equal saga se, we no equal go say a cows and one of Belfast. A woman is living more than her income. One only a mwek biye yukpo no ma ese. O Salsa ulele ya she's a debtor. A cows and one of Belfast. Guys, let's listen to her. Justina Alpha. Let's go. I saw this on TikTok. Let's listen, guys.
Only friend where you sharpen for our eye before you go. We are still very confused. We don't know what they worry. And don't tell you it can't get so much more even. It can't get confused. Whether na your loss can make her be like Azen or na things where she read for your phone make her come dey heartless or na even know we really don't know. But you see that your friend where you play with laugh before you go, Sharon.
Oh, I even went to see me. Mother, see me na. If you be because me, I don't like people who know they straightforward. But they like if you anything they do, they use your chest, they do one. We matter when it's Monica, aka the accounts are one of Belfast, aka the bingo one of the universe. And they call your name. So be very free to call the names. This one now, she did report to Sharon, according to her. She did the land of the dead right now. So because as she did the land of the dead, now she did report to Sharon. So I'm not going to talk inside so that I'm not going to feel listen well.
Tonight they surprise all of us for the whole world. What they do. If you see what he do your mother, you say your mother they rub your belly, say na your mother, na you. I maybe no normal. He tell most presenter make the saga your mama. And do you know since when you take that? He not got that your ass, so he say he not get where to sit down for that your ass. And he never go carry Osao where say for night to he run. He say na picking will make mama die. He be one thief Mimi, but now we social media people we not agree because he not be a family member. People when you from abroad. You can't go meet them say you want to be celebrity. Majority of them, they don't share your flyer.
So sir, try make you buy. So sir, if you buy, so that your friends go mourn you. Your friends go come teach us how to mourn. So sir, Rita, why am you woo? Why we na? Why we the normal expect? Why you ne? I was say where do you do money where? I don't have any money on my head because. In my web and I am on my who do time my I am money here because a money even in my gual of a life man. Mama never ni my money anybody. A bename, utome, I am on see my affair. Since we when or see where affair go pine. Well, we were de where a so sarita a norma. Why me woo so that never making that money where my making that when I am money on my because me when I am on my I'm not young even a Sharon my woo be there. Oh ye pan mo tige or me 36 years work by you my body. Work by you or you may a surprise. A money no one do a do target people more differently. So when we woo then might do learn from our you where. When I am on my la get woo. So now I was say when I am on my she's communicating with dead now. We shall be say I took the course. Now teach me. I don't know personal because you know if you come my live video, come they tell me say how to take the money. May buy. If you buy finish, we will come know how to take the money. In French, we can't teach us how to take the money. Because this money I'm not ready for them. I don't know say my friend go buy very soon. My wish no say make buy very soon. So I'm not waiting how to learn when I have money here. If I do have a live video, it does you ne kui. It do have the way. Oh, if any me via the be. Yet in the via my one wa bere me. Bella, welcome. You say, oh no, can I suppose the hold pass? They not no. They want no for me said me. I they cry like 10, 20 times a day. Come me, I want to but a live video now. Today, somebody make me cry for TikTok, and I want time again because that TikTok, when the person come up, the person come talk say, "Niere me, my Sharon, me my vibe in Nigeria. When you are going more, when the momo ya lele, when my ya fear, or you I can't remember that day. The thing just trigger me. If you know what's when. If you know what's when, and then we ya on because my yeja jigo semero. But he and I have pushed me to the wall. Osevengu iso mi asemi a eni fe kwa rogo me na ro vera me ro vije me ro vi egbe me eri oga me kun mi eri me kidney problem eri me one kidney eri almost one rogo we every Friday I change a battery every I mean you my tagging am so when you test is 1 month you want when we hanging ya you want ya anybody should not tell me to rest. Don't teach me how to move. If you want to teach me how to move, try me you buy. If you buy, I can't learn how to move for your body. Wazaga.
They say you paint there for inside heart now. Your own we tell no say to more person. You get different type of
Joy, thank you.
Sharon, the money where people give you now the one where we never see before. Now latest one. Now here you wait me. Sharon, your friend, Festina, he really cry. But Izzy say, nah, I service cry. But for we, na so person take the more person. If you see,
Thank God say na Festina and I teach Monica and her followers how to mourn. But the same Festina and I bring Sharon come the social media. Festina that was the one that made everybody know that Sharon was in coma. She bring that Sharon coma issue come the social media. I start to still there with me. I she tell the call air members, they tell them, say, Sharon enemy don't buy. Whereas she still there coma, I still know everything. I just decide to keep quiet. But as Monica don't come talk and I come out, we'll begin to expose ourselves. They write for all her status there. Oh my God, this is not true. She not even call anybody to confirm. She already confirmed, say, Sharon enemy don't buy. Sharon was even in coma that time. She was the one that made a no game. No. Now make a no game come back on the top for live video say Sharon enemy don't buy that time. Because he saw it on Festina's story for WhatsApp. And he screenshot all the stories. What thing I hate for this life, I not like pretense. I don't like pretense. I don't feel call live video, call they follow, call they wear black, call they cry. Because I want make Monica validate me. I want make Bingo one of the universe. And Akausa one of the universe. Come make me talk, say, oh, now me your mom pass. Because of that one, you want to hear black and black. It the altar, or money, it the altar, I live video, it do have here. I know they do that one. I don't need your validation to tell me whether I'm more or not more. Not be you go validate me. My friend where go, they see my heart. That can any beggar man or beggar. A life now, you don't need to they pretend. For more than 2 months, my life was shut down. I not do anything. From the time my friend born, if you go my Facebook now, you go see him. I was there totally because I was busy. So, since you said I'm Festina and I sabi more because now your informant, now I sabi more. Continue with her. Let her teach us how to more. And make somebody she'll constantly come and teach us how to more. Because she they teach. And she Monica saying more pass now. So it's good. Clap for her. Best mourner. Mona clap for best mourner. I want to see you clapping her. Best mourner of the year. Now in more pass. Mona clap for her.
and people's gonna come out for you. If come make baka. You don't even come no say now that Festina way they shine. You come be some no. And we get it baby. Oh baby. Which one again? You open me your brother. We don't change your name. My tea of Missa. Boy, You know why? If you know where, ma, Sharon. Yeah, go be.
Akausa one of Belfast. Omana of you boy J boy be na na say J boy down. J boy the gbema oko you go like am. You're the verse. But you confidently stand the insult another woman pikin because you dey do saga. Of you where. Atuari Monica, aka Akausa one of Belfast. A woman living more than her income. A woman who trying to be and we now boy you know not get anything what they do for her life. Apart from to they insult people, children, and family. That's the only job she knows how to do. Mikael, thank you so much. That's the only job she knows how to do. You dey call person, you dey insult person, picking grown up man, a father. Wait, he not do you anything. He not be your brother. He not near you. You and not be friend. You don't know her before. His sister by the next thing you begin to do now to insult her. And so they insult her.
Understand?
Monica, what me go gujek bina? Who can be Sharon na? When you are report to my Sharon, since you Sharon we go, you are in the land of the dead. Always, Jena. Eno ya pa be ya lelijek bina. What be time Sharon? What time I need you who some pa me na do ale leg bina. What time I?
Opa me we want to stay you way. If you have a Yahweh, and you are cocoa way. I am your pame. Opame ma Facebook was where I can go there or ya share yan or you go there. Or meti ya share you ba making the beway. O visual no one even we are one year. Opame no rock, mamma de like a more down. They don't say
a J boy we almost done. A J boy more done.
Izzy go see me ya no make ya bere way. Izzy na so ato or na so go see me. We are Muta Izzy ya fan or ni sama mao. Ya told me later. The noise say the cow Izzy. On my data missing is stop if you rain is you, or matter man will not stop him. I even no digit setting weapon, then take weapon. We will kind ya. So if you know so no boys say so no we man doing we know where you have been a date of Betty. O wa gele saga ijue o wa saga ijue bebe na hije nana bege na ya bere we nana nwine marriage o iwa munye o yeri ko ni juwa won ko ni no wa gba me na me demake o yeri juwa o we ya we be on the sisi we no make na remember do o we ya mu we make na so ko ji
where shall not have so hold your own because already you are in the land of the dead. Well, you dead the land of the dead, they report people to Sharon, and you they lie to her. Izzy go see a property, they need me go see na nu gbe o agbon. Nu zuwa we nu zuwa na. E wo bi no ma enegbe. Okwo ba na me nwa. Izzy go see me. Wo go see me because we go the share bo. We ga ne no gu make no do me go we because till now osa nu me be fast. Oye le ma meti asa. Won sha no ha na mi, won sha no ha togbo. When Sharon had talk where Monica Atuari and Bruce no my negbe. No more they go to. What got talk about you dead now, you dead land of the dead. You they talk to Sharon. It's something you they tell her the truth. Inside the land of the dead, now you are talking. Now you are talking. Then we talk say like bona. Erika, nedu wala na when we do we DNA test. Umagri yahu. They are normal way on the DNA test. On vandalize them, on zage, also not that way. On one ishogo governor. On normal way, we are normal way. Come on, when we are with DNA test. On the way, sayo nu ya we, umaye we till now. The way I'm immune, we are going for way go. We no mind it we. Before a man will tell you you are with DNA test someone. That's what saying exactly when he vandalize it. Go no we ero was wo. What do we ya be was wo. Ah no ya DNA test go we when the gbema oko when we as you just reach so when zu asena. Where be your no DNA will be where o ma go ya where because you are not sure of yourself because I here e ma no we mu na be period ni ya ye bele amama no ma wu gbe ya zanzanfo azanzan anifo ukwa ma se funu na mo red light mo ama no ya wo ge boba e when we zu ase the way do amonu na ya gwi megun a wo amonu na ya re wa ara nu wa nu ti pass nu me nu eki enu me wa ran wa okpi anu we okpi ave wo na we had you go nu we ya we DNA test that's to show the man really do the baga you or zage wani or condemn wani also are bise ya because one one neun la dia so that ave useless thing or we ko we ya appear landia nu zaga wa gbon nu gbe wa gbon Monica wa gbe wa zuwa wa leku eni wiwa we no ma enegbe imemi wefo seleke ewoki egwo bi no ba we ragbona eke mi de we no do gbi megwe we no ma say I just dey look you think of Sharon and now wa agewe you know when wa zuwo wa kereba wa ewere uma ewere una mwere de go talk do you not rest because gwaligo because wo salele ya ne gwaligo no ya pay. Let's continue, my people.
I say whatever. Apart from that, everything is good. Now, everybody just they weak, just get a CP for you. You understand? They wear me very beautiful dress, black. May take go see you.
Jesus, you said this woman they very. This one, what are the time I say money cannot get sense? How can you say they wear me beautiful dress, black? God forbid. May black not be beautiful for us. May we not be, may our children not wear beautiful black dress for us. This is somebody named Lele. They wear me beautiful black dress. We can't tell before now where thank God they Sharon wounded. Now the children is now with the mother. The grandmother will now enjoy the children. Can't tell her. How can you just put your mouth when we concern? What would they wear beautiful black dress? May our children not wear beautiful black dress for us. Monica, how did you want more? I didn't wear beautiful black dress in. Two wear beautiful black dress in you. When Monica now, you go wear beautiful black dress for your children. Wait.
Hospital erosion Emilia. I ever boy my senior bolo anyway. We make sure we must to pay him near.
You go near Gualona here. You go no Gualona here. Say no na saga e Sharon no gune. This is what she's looking for. You guys listen.
Toilet. Understand?
Monica, can you prove it? Get Reggio Mila see your pa in the toilet. Were you there? The Reggio Emilia Hospital, the Santa Maria Nova, did they allow Sharon alone to go to the toilet? Monica, can you prove this in court? Were you there? Were you there? Did you follow her to the hospital? Did you see it with your eyes? You can't come online and just be saying things because you want to talk. This is a big hospital. Santa Maria Nova. The biggest hospital in Reggio Emilia. Were you there? You said they left her alone to go to the toilet. Did you see her go to the toilet? Were you there? Sharon win a case now. Monica Oriawa. Because already now, for my city, everybody already know say Monica don't talk like 10 things. Or the toilet. Or boto. Area stress. People are watching. People are watching. And the city man is every day Monica wa call the policeman. Umi have a live video ni adogun o. But I say that I have evidence. Iya wa call the police men ya kakabo. Ere Johnny meje. Iya wa via the police. School not be scam, my people. School not be scam.
severeba wairi agbomariave. Wari agbomariave. Oga keweya lewe bone. Every big ba ari webu iyogue. Uwebu nana manage itofu bumbe. Ugairi agbomariave. Oga keweya lewe bu wa face webu weze. With all your talent, you can be a lot. Man, ugari agbomariave.
Funny enough, you say Sharon was never in the web of your way. Nobody be your way for Sharon friends. Nobody be your way. In fact, Sharon also no me go say magbera. Imagine your queen go say anybody what's your. So in the Watana, they're just trying to bring them down, make them feel like only.
Then you say the when you ugari agbomariave wa ya most.
So now when the Monica biki. Why are they DNA? Why is Zagabagbon? I want to be back. Admin, block that Sonia. No. Admin, you know they be way here. Block that Sonia. I don't want no Zagabagbon. Then to me block her. Me block. Me make any block here. Delete comment, report comments. Admin, where you see there? Admin, are you there? I know they see my admin. Admin make banner. Where you can go, admin?
See, why ya me why you set you it.
Now your mama, now Monica, wait, don't hold debts everywhere. I be the poor one. Who's nene? Where this my Monica me go na wo sale le wo here. You better not they call me again. I don't live video. Stop. You know they block this Sonia. Block the idiot come up for here now. You they cut my call. Block her. You not there yet. Block. You get one person they come rubbish since Sonia. Block the person come up for this live video. See, I still there. I don't want to delete the comment. I want me you block her. This is you know see her. Sonia, I don't want to be the person name. La wo we got by man na de ko wa pa kere. Ave bingo Monica no my negbe. No zua. They won't fall here. No go remove another Sonia. Because Sonia plenty for here. The idiot. You see red dead plenty for her comment. See her here now. Sonia I don't but why you remove her? You never see remove her. See there. Why share to where you are ya we me. Eh wa go me opportunity ya ade man do ate rubbish. Wow, Jackson, under 1,000 stars. Thank you so much. God will bless you. God will bless you, Jackson. I'm going to continue a video when do ya Monica ne wo bi no man egbe ozuro no makon.
A very beautiful dress, black. May take go see you, smile to them. They know they carry hospital erosion Emilia. I have my
Thank you, Annabelle.
we make sure we almost to pay in near way because on my take a say walk by no toilet to understand. They know it's very way
Angela, good evening.
Every big man, are you webu if you go webu nana manage it of Bumbi. Ugairi Agbomariave. Oga kewe ya la we bo wa face we bo we with all your talent you can be a lot. Man, ugari agbon wari ave. De ni ase de wen ni awo. Ugari agbon wari ave wa ya mose, wa ya ne nwan, wa ye seti wo. But o kosi e be your portion. O se ga bun beto bon wa. Man, agi ki ko gbere oni. Where we jouer a family way, if we were or that from where is enough. Sharon, then I'm gonna Izzy marry Lizzo and no be now, Mama ye on niveau when we are yele, Izzy yele, while they talk marry, Mammy can I again in no piano. So, Mama ye, Manoere, Mimi, so.
Sharon, what yele? Monica, aka Bingo one of Belfast. Aka Monica Atuari Ambrose, aka Elede one of Facebook. Monica Atuari, aka Akausa one of the universe. Moriele, because when we je, aye wa mi kiane guwewu. Ave boys no le Facebook, ure kia ya fefone, du vaga ya ne na riele enwe Monica. Iriele enwe. Uke ya twist tu wen iri ele nu e we igwa lokan ve gbere mimi wa gwa lokan ve gbe wo kan we kan mori ele do avie nu vie gwale ke we kan no awu gwale ke young boy because me o gaga bruce gi nwina eki o da fe Sharon bia na we igwa lo no hia wu na aka dey married woman go saying dey find person on that person husband all the way you nuta agwa no le do nu zaga wa gbon gwale ke anu awu wa igwalo eba wa gwale kianu a unu meke na dodgy ya we kia atawe Izzy nwele lete kan ya marry my ya marry oteme no ya marry oteme iri ele nu e because we are very fine boy ya we I'm me Jamaica no my hoe we Belfast we ya fo we ya for why Morocco ya le bisi ne wo agwa le kiale le wo kian ya wo muhe la da wa me young boy we hello we hello all the Jamaican boys we dey Belfast we mu ne ya ne we nu me kian Dwara no wagwa lo da fere akwaro we iba for another person husband I've married when are you a married woman have they married you show us video where they pay your bike price abi wo ma we record no gbe o agbon wa kiza
So Izzy yele, cause only so I call I
we only one color because you know well you know say wetin person good at na dey feel other people they good they do because na wetin shit they do because me hungry or that force you any kind of color ne we between na color the whole land
ti vere ba ni awo de mi ya no se ke ijo wa ya o mata ma we na tinye o do gu na ijo na wa to fi we ye ijo me gesu ya
Ijana no fi were vija ka aje Monica so ije makama is that what you're trying to tell us here Monica or we je wa hia o or we Sharon ijana no fi were what's the man fi were or ragbon Monica why are you trying to bring Mama Sharon down all the time we Sharon gi wune ijana no fi were ko vija ka aje Monica that means ije makama What's the man feel where they Sharon ragbon? Why the man Sharon give good or you could feel where yeah? Hey. I beg that place I will repeat and small. No, listen again. I know talk.
So mama ye mano ere mimi we usa west Izzy yele cause only so I call I see very bad now. The me and me say, Ijua ya o mata ma we na tinyo do gu na ijua na wa to fi we ye. Ijua me guess ya. inu ya pa iju me ge suya no we wata ni iju we mo suya fo ara me no so gbo am gbo fo a iju me seti ye open a shop in a restaurant iju we gije iju me gi woni de no insevere ba o eternity we o ni wa be ya wo wa
that tenant so wey she dey talk so na be the person wey carry Mama Sharon enter this rubbish. Now Monica Bingo na she be 50 years old woman wey get grandchildren wey she dey do a shower for Austria. The girl wey rent, the woman wey rent now under woman husband, neither woman the friend for this radio. Another woman husband and she the friend. This woman so make Okona all record the Sharon all muye phone okay. Okona Monica tago here now. We Sharon ga aragbon e kwe mimi la o wage this woman no agree. Oh mimi go dirty in bed. And nigga it is a life now you pretend in life. People who pretend with you, then behind you there will be another person. That woman they record Sharon has a lalo and you went to record there. Or a former Haruwe betrayal record there way again behind Sharon's back, but in her front she'll be doing like she's good. She was even planning to leave the house. She want gog Sharon before this thing can happen. E Monica Agimere or Dafere, the tenant so all Dafere all the radio. E shebullet all one. All Dafere all the radio. Okonokpa, no man win on a many years in Europe, or my winner there. Me win there for 2 years in the UK. I've worked. If not for my health, now let 2 hours job I think they do a day. Woman will be saying go come on every time. So all your also Monica Bingo because Monica live video you have ever seen. Live video you ever seen. This woman I introduce Mama Sharon to Monica. I make all these things spoil so when social media come the throw. That one a better person. Person won't help you. You go say now. You go carry go social media and be help. Woman way picking you die. We supposed to say yeah, social media like social media now la go. Monica Watiana, your tenant, he try well. Tenant, she don't got ragbon or ekwe mimi la line owa or we mimi ari abedi yen wa or we mimi a stay the bed yen. Ekwe okwi. Okwi. Sharon beg ya Monica. No Sharon tenant no mu yoga. And she was even about to leave the house. Because Mama needed the house. Before Sharon came to Wuna. So Sharon knows who. God now Monica is in the Akausa, one of Belfast. She did the land of the dead. Now she did. So because Sharon is a good one. She's talking to Sharon. She did land of the dead. And